Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Managing dependencies in Python projects is crucial for maintaining consistency, reproducibility, and collaboration. This tutorial will cover the best practices for dependency management using tools such as pip, venv, and requirements.txt, along with modern alternatives like pipenv, poetry, and pyproject.toml. 1. Setting up a virtual environment. Before managing dependencies, it's a good practice to create a virtual environment for your project. A virtual environment isolates your project's dependencies from other projects and the system Python. Creating a virtual environment *. Using Python's built-in venv module. Bash. Create a virtual environment named venv. Python venv. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows, venv \scripts\activate. On Mac OS/Linux, source venv/bin/activate. 2. Installing dependencies. Once the virtual environment is activated, you can install packages using pip. For example, to install Flask, you would run bash pip install Flask. 3. Managing dependencies with requirements.txt. It's common practice to maintain a requirements.txt file that lists all the dependencies your project needs. This allows others to replicate your environment easily. Creating requirements.txt*. After installing your packages, you can create this file with bash pip freeze requirements.txt. The requirements.txt file will look something like this. Flask == 2.0.1. Requests == 2.25.1. Installing from requirements.txt*. To install the dependencies listed in requirements.txt, use bash pip install our requirements.txt. 4. Using pipenv. Pipenv is a higher-level tool that combines pip and virtualenv, providing an easy way to manage dependencies. Installing pipenv *. Bash pip install pipenv. Creating a new project with pipenv *. To create a new project or manage dependencies in an existing project, bash create a new virtual environment and install Flask. Pipenv install Flask. Generating pipfile and pipfile.lock *. Pipenv creates a pipfile to manage project dependencies and a pipfile.lock to lock the versions. Installing dependencies from pipfile *. To install dependencies listed in the pipfile, use bash pipenv install. 5. Using poetry. Poetry is another dependency management tool that simplifies package management and project setup. Installing poetry *. You can install poetry using the following command: bash curl //ssl https://install.python-poetry.org Python 3. Creating a new project with poetry *. To create a new project, bash poetry new my_project. cd my_project. Adding dependencies *. To add a dependency, use bash poetry add Flask. This will update the pyproject.toml file with the package information. Managing dependencies *. To install all dependencies, including development dependencies, bash poetry install. 6. Best practices. Use virtual environments. Always use a virtual environment for your projects to avoid conflicts. Pin versions. Pin the versions of your dependencies in requirements.txt, pipfile, or pyproject.toml to maintain consistency. Regular updates. Regularly update dependencies and test your application to avoid security vulnerabilities. Use dev dependencies. Separate your development and production dependencies when using pipenv or poetry. Example project structure. Here's an example of how your project structure might look. My_project /venv virtual environment, if using venv. Requirements.txt dependency list, if using pip. Pipfile dependency list, if using pipenv. Pipfile.lock locked versions, if using pipenv. Pyproject.toml dependency list, if using poetry. app.py your main application file. Conclusion. Managing dependencies effectively is crucial for any Python project. Using tools like pip, pipenv, and poetry can greatly simplify the process. Choosing the right tool depends on your project needs and personal preference. By following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can ensure that your project remains maintainable and reproducible.